Born in Aberfoyle in 1644, he was the seventh son of his minister, Father James. He studied theology at St. Andrews, received his master's degree in Edinburgh in 1661. 1661. The secret commonwealth of elves, fauns and fairies. 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 Robert Kirk collected fairy folklore and traditions of his land. He was a Gaelic scholar and saw the value of setting aside. Legends arose after Kirk's death, saying that he had been taken away one evening in 1692, an evening in 1692. The secret commonwealth of elves, fauns and fairies. 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 One evening in May, his body was found lying on the fairy hill. Was his body taken away to join the queen in fairyland? More than 100 years would pass and no one knew. More than 100 years would pass and no one knew, until his book was released by Walter Scott in 1815. The secret commonwealth of elves, fauns and fairies. The secret commonwealth of elves, you.